Good afternoon, children. What is your idea about lines? Our chapter is lines and angles. What is your idea about lines? Okay, line segment. Suppose two lines. So two lines are parallel, right? Two lines are parallel means the distance will be same. Suppose this is 8 centimeter, here will be 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Two parallel lines. Now, another condition for two lines. What is another condition? Intersecting lines. One line may be like this, like this. Two intersecting line. Line L and line M, suppose. This is another line, intersecting line. So this point of intersection. Point of intersection P. Parallel, the distance between the two lines will be parallel always, that will be same always, like a railway track. Or the lines on your notebook, you can see parallel. Many examples are the parallel. See this is parallel to this one. Parallel. Bottom and top, here also parallel line we can see. Intersection line, many were intersection line. Then maybe like this also. See, look here, one line is intersecting here, intersecting here. So when two lines are intersecting, you are getting angle. Two angles are made, arms, we can say arms of the angles. It's an angle. Now this may be O, this may be P, this may be Q. What is the name of this angle? Lines and angles. Our topic is lines and angles. What is the name of this angle? Tell me what is the name of this angle. Tell me the name of this angle. PQ the angle? PQ ആണോ? ഈ ആംഗിളിന്റെ നെയിം ഒന്ന് പറയൂ.
Oh.
Oh, what? Three letter, how can you say? Angle O or angle, this is P, this is Q. Can I write angle PQO?
Yes.
Angle PQO. It is wrong. You cannot write. What is angle here? What angle illa? You have to write the center. Where is the vertex? This is called the vertex. This is the vertex. These are called the arms. The vertex must be in the middle. This is wrong. We can write angle POQ or angle QOP. Angle QOP. Naming of an angle, what I am telling. The vertex, can you see an angle here? Here is the angle. This is called the vertex, arms. That means two arms. Line segment, two line segment and a vertex. Intersection means that is the vertex. You are making an angle. You know how to measure the angles. How can we measure the angle? Using protractor, we can measure the angle. Then after that, we studied acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. There is no confusion, I think, sir. What is your idea about right angle? What is your idea about obtuse angle? What is your idea about acute angle and obtuse angle? Acute angles, I'm talking about angles. Lines and angles. Acute angle.
Less than 90 degree.
Less than 90 degree. Then another thing here, this is less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. That means between 0 and 90 degree. Zero angle is there. Zero angle is there. That means no angle. That is 0 point. Both the lines are parallel. That means not coincidence. Zero angle. Look here. Better we can show. Look here. One line, another line segment. Both are parallel. Can you see parallel? Now they are intersection. You are getting an angle. You are getting an angle here. Here also. But here, how many angles you are getting here?
Two.
How many angles?
Two.
Are you thinking 4 only? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we study vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle. But here linear pair you can see here. Straight angle is there. Look here, straight angle, 180 degree. So many angles we can make. So many names are there. You please read the chapter. Many things are there. What you studied before. Acute angle means we can say between 0 and 90 degree. Less than 90 degree means between 0 and 90 degree. Now, after that, obtuse. Obtuse angle. I'm talking about angle. Acute angle, one C only, not double Q, double C. Acute angle between 0 and 90 degree. That angle will be between 0 and 90 degree. Now, what is obtuse angle?
More than 90 degree.
More than 90 degree means half correct only. What about 185? Do you think it is obtuse?
Between 90 degree and 180 degree.
That way you have to say. Angle between 90 degree. Angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. That means suppose the angle, this is x, angle is x. This will be greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 90 degree. Here, this angle less than 90 degree and this will be greater than 0. The angle x, suppose acute angle is acute angle x and maybe this is obtuse angle x or y, whatever it is. In short, we can show the angle like this here. This is the vertex. Now I can see this is an acute angle, less than 90 degree. This 90 degree, then more than 90 degree. That means between 90 and 180 degree. 100 is an obtuse angle. Now listen here. Zero angle, I told you, zero angle is the third one, straight angle. Straight angle. What do you mean by straight angle? What is straight
Correct
angle?
90 degree.
Straight angle means 180 degree. A line here, suppose here, 180 degree. Any line. Look, this is a line, 180 degree. This is called straight angle. Straight angle. Right angle, you know, there is no confusion 90 degree. Not between 90 degree is right angle, 180 degree is right angle. There is no confusion, it is not between. Okay. Now, another angle, tell me. I am waiting for that. Tell me another angle. You are discussing
Right
angle now. Tell me. Complete angle is there. You heard about the word complete angle?
Between 180 and 360.
No. That is not complete angle. That is reflex angle. Complete means total. See, here 180, here 360 degree. Here 180, 180. Angle 360 is called complete angle. What is it? Complete angle. Now, a circle. Total angle of circle 360. Now, complete angle. That is complete angle. Another one, reflex angle. What is this? What is reflex angle? All of you have the protractor, right? What is the maximum angle there in the protractor? What is the total angle? What is the angle of a protractor? That means total. 0 to
190.
0 to 180 degree. 0 to 180 degree. You can see the protractor. 0 to 180 degree. I think you know how to make an angle. Here also 0. Then 180 inside. Here also 0. 180 you can see the protractor. You can see 180 this side, 180 that side. Don't confuse 40 degree and 120 degree or 60 degree like that. Acute and obtuse. When measuring the angle, you have to keep where is the angle protractor there only. Don't confuse 60 degree or 120 degree. From home, you have to try that. Take your protractor and draw 60 degree and 120 degree. See, you can draw and see. Sometimes the children will mark both on the same way. 120 and 60, we can see 120 here, 60 here. Don't confuse that. So today, you have to draw the angle 120 degree and 60 degree. Okay, that is the homework. And find out 70 degree and 140 degree like that. Okay, now what is a reflex angle? Reflex angle means more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 360 means complete angle, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree reflex angle. So how? So you told me in a protractor, suppose this is the protractor. Here will be maximum 180 degree, 180 degree. Here 0, maximum 180 degree. You know, here will be like that. So more than 180, how can we draw the angle 210? Dear children, please. It's a reflex angle. 200 is a reflex angle. 190 it is a reflex angle. 280 reflex angle. 300 reflex angle. Now my question is, how can we draw 230 degree or 300 degree? 300 degree. What is the method? Angle വരയ്ക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? എന്താ ഉപയോഗിക്കേണ്ടത് angle വരയ്ക്കാൻ? Protractor. Okay. അപ്പോൾ 300 എങ്ങനെയാ? protractor ഇല്ലല്ലോ സാറേ, എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? മെത്തേഡ് എന്താ? To draw all of you draw reflex angle 300. 300 reflex angle 300 വരച്ച എല്ലാരും. 300 is a reflex angle. Draw that. എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും? ഒന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കൂ. I want the reflex angle 300. Try. വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? പാർട്ടിസിപ്പന്റ് ഓൺലി 7 ആണല്ലോ. മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് എന്ത് പറ്റി?
അറിയൂല സാറേ.
ഈ സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എനിക്ക് അയക്കണം കൃഷ്ണ. ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് പോകുമ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് അയക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, Now listen here. ഈ 300 എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കും? ആരെങ്കിലും മെത്തേഡ് ഒന്ന് വരച്ചൊന്ന് കാണിച്ച്, ആ ഷീറ്റിൽ ഒന്ന് വരച്ചൊന്ന് കാണിച്ച്. 300 angle 300, then 210, ഇതൊക്കെ നോട്ട് ചെയ്തോളൂ. acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, complete angle, reflex angle. Acute means angle between 0 and 90 degree. Obtuse means between 90 and 180 degree. Then complete angle means 360 degree. Complete angle 360 degree. Straight angle 180 degree. And reflex angle between 180 degree and 360 degree. That is reflex angle. I told you 300. അത് എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കുമെന്ന് നമ്മൾ ട്രാപ്പിലാണ്. എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റും? കാരണം നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ 180 ഡിഗ്രി അല്ലല്ലോ. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? വാട്ട് വി ക്യാൻ ഡു? റിഫ്ലക്സ് ആംഗിൾ എങ്ങനെ വരയ്ക്കും?
അങ്ങനെയാണ് സാറേ.
എങ്ങനെ റിഫ്ലക്സ് ആംഗിൾ വരയ്ക്കാം? വൺ 180 ഡിഗ്രി അല്ലേ മാക്സിമം പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ അല്ലോ. യെസ്, ആരെങ്കിലും വരച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കാണിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, 300. അത് എങ്ങനെ വരച്ചു? എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. എങ്ങനെ വരച്ചു?
180 ഡിഗ്രിന്റെ
ആ,
ലൈൻ വരച്ചു.
180 ഡിഗ്രി വരച്ചു.
എന്നിട്ട് താഴോട്ട് 90 വെച്ചിട്ട് വരച്ചു.
ഓക്കെ, ഫൈൻ, ഗുഡ് ഗുഡ്, യു ട്രൈഡ്. ആരാ ചെയ്തത്? ഓക്കെ, യു ട്രൈഡ്. പക്ഷെ അതെല്ലാം വെച്ചിട്ട് 180 ഡിഗ്രി എന്ത് ചെയ്യാനും അറിയാം. നിങ്ങൾ അത് കുറച്ചൊന്ന് അല്പം ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യും. 70 ഡിഗ്രിയൊക്കെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. റിഫ്ലക്സ് ആംഗിൾ നോട്ട് ചെയ്തില്ല. 180 ഡിഗ്രി ആൻഡ് 360 ഡിഗ്രി. We want 300 അല്ലേ? ടോട്ടൽ ആംഗിൾ എത്ര? 360 അല്ലേ? 360 minus 300 എടുക്കുക. That means 60 degree. Okay, complete angle is 360. We need 300. That means difference is 60. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാറിയ? പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇവിടെ 60 ഡിഗ്രി മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യും. പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ this is 60 അല്ലേ? പ്രൊട്രാക്ടർ 60 എടുത്തൂടെ? 60 ആംഗിൾ എടുത്തിട്ട് പിന്നെ we know this is what the complete angle. This will be 300 because this is 60. 60 we can do with the protractor. 60 degree. We need 300. You know what total is? 360. Complete angle. About 60 ഒഴിച്ചില്ല, ബാക്കി പുറത്തുള്ള ഈ ആംഗിൾ ഇല്ല. This will be a reflex angle. ശരിയല്ലേ? അതാണ് മെത്തേഡ്. നമ്മൾ 180 വരച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നെയും ചെയ്യാം, പക്ഷെ അതല്ല മെത്തേഡ്. ഈസി മെത്തേഡ് 360 മൈനസ് ഏത് ആംഗിളാണ് വേണ്ടത്? ഇനി ഇത് മനസ്സിലായോ? 300 ഇത് 300 ആയിരിക്കും. Because 360 minus 60, that means 300. We got 300. This angle is 300. Now suppose 210 I told you. 210. What is the method? 360 minus 210. That means 0 for 150. As before, take your protractor. 150 mark yellow protractor. Mark 150. Okay. This is the center. 150. So it will be 90. So 150 will be like this. This is 150. So we don't want complete circle is there. We need this. So 150 we are getting 210 this angle. So this angle will be 200 and total will be 150. What I told, reflex angle, what you want, subtract it from 360 and mark that angle, and rest of the angle will be the reflex angle. ഇങ്ങനെ പറ്റും. കാരണം നമ്മളെ പ്രൊട്രാക്ടറിൽ 180 എഴുതും, 170, 179 വരെ നമുക്ക് പോകാം, 179.5. The reflex angle means 360 minus. അതാണ് reflex angle. ഇപ്പൊ വരക്കാൻ പഠിച്ചോ? Reflex angle വരക്കാൻ പഠിച്ചോ? ഇവിടെ ഇതാ, all of you open page number 90. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. കണ്ടില്ല reflex angle. 180 less than what about T? 360. കണ്ടില്ല, വരച്ചേ കണ്ടില്ല. reflex angle. അത് reflex angle. ആംഗിൾ ഒരു ക്രോസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഡയറക്ഷൻ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഇങ്ങനെ കൊടുക്കും, ആന്റി ക്ലോക്ക് വൈസ് ഡയറക്ഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, റിഫ്ലക്സ് ആംഗിൾ മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes,
യെസ്,
sir.
ഓക്കെ. ഇനി അടുത്തതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു, ഞാൻ ഇത് അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. An acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degree. ഒന്നും കൂടി വായിക്കൂ. പേജ് നമ്പർ 91 ഫസ്റ്റ് പേര ഒന്ന് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്യത്, ഇതൊന്ന് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്യും ഈ ഫസ്റ്റ് പേര. An acute angle measures between 0 and 90 degree. ആരൊന്ന് വായിക്കൂ the sentence, പാരഗ്രാഫ് ഒന്ന് വായിക്കൂ.
An acute angle measures between 0 degree and 90 degree, whereas a right angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Also recall that a straight angle is equal to 180 degree. An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Further, two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles, and two angles whose sum is 180 degree are called supplementary angles.
Okay, fine, good. See, complementary angle and supplementary angle, two things are there. Other all we revised. We studied before. After reflex angle, complementary. See, complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is complementary angle? What is the idea about complement and supplement? Complementary angles. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയോ? What do you mean by complementary angles? Compliments തരില്ല ആരെങ്കിലും? compliments ഇല്ലേ? gift തരാല്ലേ? some compliments. Okay, good. Something compliments. What is complementary angle? Angles എന്തെങ്കിലും gift തരുന്നോ? ഒരു ഐഡിയ പറയും, എന്താ കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് എന്നൊരു ഐഡിയ പറയും, എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? തെറ്റിക്കൂടെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല. വാട്ട് ഈസ് കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസ്? ഇത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാനുള്ള കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് ആണ്. മറ്റൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത് റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ, ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ. അത് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കി, റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ, റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾസിന് പറഞ്ഞില്ല. ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ, അക്യൂട്ട് ആംഗിൾ, റിഫ്ലക്സ് ആംഗിൾ ഒക്കെ സിംഗുലർ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസ്. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഡിഫറൻസ്? Why are they using like that? Till now they use angle, now they are using complementary angle, straight angle. One. What is the difference between complementary angle? Why are they using angles? എന്തിനാ അവര് angles ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്? Angle പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ. Yes, here, see, till now we talk about one angle, x, that means between 0 and 90 degree, that is called acute angle. Y is between 90 and 180 degree, that is obtuse angle. Z 90 degree, you are a right angle. 360 degree. Angle M is 360 degree. You are a complete angle. And it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, that you are a reflex angle. We studied how to draw. We revised, not studied, because we studied before. We revised it. Now they are telling complementary angles. അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ strike ചെയ്യണം. ഇനി അത് മാറരുത്. Complementary angles. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Because here two angles are there.
Yes, you are right. Two angles. ഇനി പറയാം definition എന്താ two angles എന്താ complementary angles വരുന്ന എങ്ങനെ. ഇതുവരെ ഒരു angle പറഞ്ഞു. Okay. Please come out.
Sum of two angles is 90 degree.
Very good, very good. All of you clap. Yes. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. They are called complementary angles. When one angle is 90 degree, you are called that angle is right angle. When sum of two angles, till now one angle, sum of two angles 90 degree, that angle is called complementary angles. Write that, complementary angles. When sum of two angles or two angles add up to 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. When two angles add up to 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. Two angles. Idea. Complementary angles. When two angles add up. When two angles add up to 90 degree. Enough. Two angles add up to 90 degree. They are called complementary angles. What is complementary of 70 degree? What is complement of 70 degree? What is complement of 70 degree?
30 അല്ലേ 20 ല്ലേ
20. 90 minus 70. That means 20 there. Complementary angle. Suppose 5 and 70, 85. Complementary angle we studied. Class 7, class 8 we studied that. Now tell me the angle. Yes, sir, I am this angle means the same measurement is the complement. What is the angle? I am an angle. My complement is same measurement. What is that? What is complement of 50 degree? 40 degree. So what is that angle? The same measure. Complement also same. Tell me the angle which is equal to its complement. Yes, 45 degree. Good. 45 degree. That means complement of 45 is 45. That is why we are talking. Now, after complement, supplementary, complementary, then supplementary, right? That is supplementary. Two. Second, supplementary exam, supplementary. What is supplementary? Tell me what is supplementary. Yes. So here also supplementary
When
angles.
two angles have 180 degree.
Yes. When two angles add up to 180 degree, or sum of two angles is 180 degree, that angles are called supplementary angle. Example, 180, 120 and 60, like that. Supplementary angle. When two angles add up to 180 degree. Example 100 degree and 80 degree. And many examples. Here also we can say 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So you are the angle which is equivalent to your supplement. Supplementary exam ഉണ്ട് അത് വേറെയാണ്. Main exam first exam ൽ fail ആയാൽ supplementary exam ഉണ്ടാവും. Okay. Now, I think you understood supplementary angle and complementary angles. Now all of you listen here. What do you mean by adjacent angles? That was adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? Now you can see adjacent angles and linear pair. All of you listen here. ഇത് കണ്ടില്ല picture കണ്ടില്ല adjacent angle. What do you mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent angles. Adjacent side, you know, what is the difference? What do you mean by adjacent angles and linear pair? Listen here.
Two angles side is common.
Okay, listen here. I have an angle here. Suppose this is any measurement 50 degree. Another angle 60 degree. P, Q, R, S. Before we studied 50 degree means angle PSQ. Angle PSQ. Angle PSQ that is equal to 50 degree. PSQ. What is middle? Measurement. We are not putting the arrow mark here. You know the difference between this. This is not measurement. This is the measurement. This is angle PSQ. Here, angle PSQ measurement is 50 degree. Now, tell me the name of this angle. 60 degree angle. What is the name of this angle? Tell me the name of this angle. This angle name again. Can I say angle SRQ?
QRS.
Angle 60 degree. How can I name this
SQR.
angle? Angle
SQR.
SQR. Don't say QRS. Angle SQR. That is equal to 60 degree. See middle, the vertex 2 angles. This both the angles are adjacent angle. We are talking about adjacent angle. Do you think both are adjacent? This angle adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. Do you think both these angles are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are no? This angle adjacent angles, yes or no? What is the condition? You told me common arm. Yes, QS is the common arm. Adjacent arm. Response angle S and angle Q are adjacent. Are they adjacent? Adjacent ആണോ?
Yes.
Yes. എല്ലാരും സമ്മതിക്കുന്ന കൈബന്ധിച്ച് സമ്മതിക്കുന്നവരൊക്കെ അഡ്ജസന്റ് ആണ് സമ്മതിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാരും ഒന്ന് കൈബന്ധിച്ച് 8 ആളായല്ലോ 7 ആള് ഒന്ന് കൈബന്ധിച്ച് മുഹമ്മദ് അൻസീൻ എന്താ കൃഷ്ണ ഒന്നൊന്നും പറയുന്നില്ല അല്ലെ റഫാൻ അഡ്ജസന്റ് ആണോ നിങ്ങൾ തെറ്റാണ്. It is not adjacent. Adjacent means they need common vertex and common arm. See, now suppose this is 50 and this is maybe 60. Again, P, Q, R, S. Suppose here this, I can say one angle is 50 and 60. This is adjacent. You are not adjacent because we need the common vertex. Here no common vertex are different. We need the common arm. Here SQ the common arm. Here also common arm is there. But you don't have common vertex. That look here. I am making two angles. Listen here. One angle here and one angle here. Two angles are here. Look, this is common. Suppose this is yellow color. Yellow arm is common. You cannot say adjacent because vertex here is another vertex. Here is another vertex. Vertex must be same. So now look here. Look here. Now common arm and common vertex. Here vertices. Two vertices. Here one vertex only. I think you understood the difference. Now write your adjacent angle. It is not adjacent. Right? Draw this one also first. And this is adjacent angle. PS. So different name you can give, that is better. Here LMNO, ABCD, A, B, C, D. Angle PSQ, angle SQ are not adjacent angles because adjacent angles means right there common vertex and common arm. Adjacent angles have common vertex and common arm. This you can draw. ABC, angle ABC, angle ABC, and angle ABC, angle CBD, angle CBD are adjacent. Example. They have common vertex, B is the common vertex, and BC is the common arm. But angle PSQ and angle SQR are not adjacent. Right there. Adjacent angle, they have common vertex and common arm. Example, angle ABC and angle CBD. Draw this one and write. After that, write PSQ and SQ are not adjacent angles. Angle PSQ, angle PSQ, and angle SQR are not adjacent angles. Not adjacent angles. Because, what is the reason for that? What is the reason? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് adjacent അല്ലാത്തത്? Because
one vertex.
they don't have common vertices. They have two vertices. They don't have common vertex. That is the reason. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഏതെങ്കിലും എനിക്ക് റബ്ബ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ലീനിയർ പെയറിലേക്ക് പോകണം. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായോ? അഡ്ജസന്റ് ആംഗിൾ മനസ്സിലായോ?
Oh,
Okay, fine. Now don't confuse. Next is linear pair. ഇതൊക്കെ റിവിഷൻ ആണ്. ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ കൺസെപ്റ്റ് റിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുക. ലീനിയർ പെയർ. Linear pair. Line. Linear pair. Right there are the linear pair. Here pair means two. What is this linear pair? Is this a linear pair? What is linear pair? എന്താണ് linear pair എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? First condition is linear pairs are adjacent angles. First condition. One more condition is the sum of two angles must be 180 degree. Listen here. Do you think these both angles are adjacent angles? ABC and CBD. ഇത് രണ്ട് adjacent angle ആണോ? Angle ABC and angle CBD are adjacent?
yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, suppose this is 70 degree. This is 110 degree. You know it is a straight angle, correct? This is a straight angle. 180 degree. Here also 180 degree. 70 plus 110, that means 180 degree. When the sum of two adjacent angles 180 degree, they are called linear pair. That's linear pair. This is linear pair alla. So this is 180 degree. This is a straight angle. Where is the pair? Pair left. But here you can see two angles. Don't say angle B and angle B. That is why three letters. Angle we can represent by three letters. One letter also, but here B, angle B, which is that? Angle ABC 70 degree, angle CBD 110. So this linear pair isn't here. Here, another one. Suppose it is 75. You know, it will be 105 because 180 degree. These are linear. So draw this one, linear pair, and draw one figure. When two adjacent angles add up to 180 degree, they are called linear pair. Write it, linear pair. When two adjacent angles add up to 180 degree, they are called linear pair. Adjacent angle ആവാൻ 180 degree ആവണ്ട. No need. Two adjacent angle means common vertex and common arm, that will do. But linear pair means it must be an adjacent angle. Then the sum of the angles must be 180 degree. Okay? Adu edikolu. When the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. Linear pair means sum of two adjacent angles 180 degree. That is called linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angles, that is equal to 180 degree. One angle and two adjacent angles. 180 degree. I wrote here, I drew here. Adeyikku, please write it. How many minutes are left? എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട് നമുക്കിനി? Tell me. 2 minutes ആ? 10 minutes ഉണ്ടാ? Okay. No problem. Now, time എന്താകുമെന്ന് പറയണം. അപ്പോൾ ഓൾറെഡി നമ്മൾ ബിഫോർ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തില്ല, അതാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവും. ലീനിയർ പയർ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഇനി ഇവിടെ നോക്കും. I told you it is not adjacent. രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ഇല്ല ഇവിടെ. Adjacent ആംഗിൾ അല്ലല്ലോ? അല്ല. Now it is adjacent angle. മൂന്ന് ആംഗിൾ കണ്ടില്ല? Adjacent. 3 angles. Adjacent angle. ഇതെല്ലാം adjacent ആണ്. Adjacent angle, adjacent angle, adjacent. Small ആവാം adjacent. അല്ലേ? 2 angles നിങ്ങൾ കാണണം. A common vertex yellow marker ആണ്. Yellow marker is the common vertex. 2 angles you can see. അവിടെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ല. ഇനി ലീനിയർ പെയർ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ അവർ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, ഈ ഒരു ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് common vertex അല്ലാതെ other vertex in the textbook you can see if the non-common arms in figure form a line, then it will look like this, like that. ഇവിടെ നോൺ കോമൺ ആം ഏതാണ്? കോമൺ ആം ഏതാണ് ഇതില്? രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ കാണില്ലേ? Which is the common arm? White color ആണോ യെല്ലോ കളർ ആണോ? കോമൺ ആം ഏതാ ഈ ആംഗിളിന്റെ?
വൈറ്റ്.
വൈറ്റ് കോമൺ അല്ല. കോമൺ തന്നെ പൊതു ഇതല്ലേ? യെല്ലോ അല്ലേ കോമൺ? യെല്ലോ ആണ് കോമൺ അല്ലേ? ഇതിനും യെല്ലോ ഉണ്ട്, ഈ ആംഗിളിനും യെല്ലോ ഉണ്ട്. സപ്പോസ് എ ബി സി, സി ബി ഡി അല്ലേ? എ ബി സി. അപ്പൊ ബി സി കോമൺ ആയി വരും. ബി സി യെല്ലോ പെന്ന് കോമൺ. കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ലല്ലോ? അപ്പൊ നോൺ കോമൺ ആം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് വൈറ്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഈ നോൺ കോമൺ ആം ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. കണ്ടോ? ലീനിയർ പെയർ സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ലൈൻ വന്നതിന് അർത്ഥം ഈ നോൺ കോമൺ ആംസ് അത് നമ്മൾ കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് ഇതല്ല, ദിസ് ഈസ് എ 180 ഡിഗ്രി, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ. ഇനി ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഫ്രം ഹിയർ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ് അഡ്ജസന്റ് ആംഗിൾസ് നമ്മൾ ലീനിയർ പെയർ ആക്കണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? നോൺ കോമൺ ആമിന് കൊണ്ടുപോയി ലൈൻ ആക്കി. കണ്ടോ? 180 ഡിഗ്രി. ഇതെന്തോ ഇവിടെ പ്രശ്നമില്ല, ഇയാൾ എന്തും ചെയ്യാം. ഇങ്ങനെ ആയാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഇങ്ങനെ 90 90 180 ഡിഗ്രി അല്ലെ? 90 90 180 ഡിഗ്രി ഇങ്ങനെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നാൽ അക്യൂട്ട് ആംഗിൾ ആയി. ഇവിടെ ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ്, ഇവിടെ വന്നാൽ ഇവിടെ അക്യൂട്ട്, ഇവിടെ ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ്. ടോട്ടൽ സം. That means 180 degree means that when the what is the adjacent angles, non-common arms form a line. That is linear. ഇനി വായിച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. അവിടെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, if the non-common arms, all of you check the figure, linear pair of angles കാണാം. Page number 91, linear pairs of angles. If the non-common arms BA and BC form a line, then it will look like an ABD, angle DBC are called linear pair of angles. In one concept you did. Okay. Linear pair മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ vertically opposite angles. Linear pair confusion ഉണ്ടോ? Any confusion linear pair?
No.
Okay, fine. Now look here. One angle is here. Any angle, suppose this is angle A. This is 60 or 65. Another angle is there. 60, that is easy for you. Here, another angle I am giving here. Suppose this is 120. That is angle B. Can I say angle A plus angle B form a linear pair? Linear pair alle. 60 plus 120, 180 degree linear pair aano? Are they linear pair?
Yes.
Yes. Do you agree? 60 plus 120, so it is linear pair, no? Do you agree or not? All of you agree? Rise hand. Agree ചെയ്യുന്ന ആൾക്കാരൊന്ന് hands raise them, please. Krishna, no, yes. Why it is? You're right. Why it is not? It is not a linear pair. You're right. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് linear pair അല്ല?
adjacent angle.
Adjacent അല്ല. It must be first condition. I told you it must be adjacent. It is not adjacent because there is no common arm. No. Okay. What I can make? I can bring this one here. This 120. So this now we can say angle, both the angles, suppose AB, BAC and CAB both are vertically, no sorry, linear pair 120. The line line. Okay, avoid the confuse. Don't confuse linear pair and straight angle like that. Okay, linear pair must be adjacent angle. Now, vertically opposite. Listen here again. Line segment or line or a decimal is a line. Now we are getting 4 angles you told me before. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Here you can see now linear pair. It's linear pair, linear pair. Here also linear pair. How many? 1, 2. Linear pair, linear pair, linear pair. You can make here. Now what I am telling, I'm not talking about linear pair. I know it is a linear pair because 180 degree. Now this angle, here look, 1, another 1. We are getting vertically opposite angles. Write down somebody. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle. Vertical. What is the meaning of vertical? Perpendicular. Vertically opposite. You know horizontal line, this one. This is a vertical line here, 90 degree. But it is different here, vertically opposite angles. Don't think it is 90 degree now. Vertically opposite angles. When two line segments intersect, mark, all of you draw this one vertically opposite angle. Now angle 1 suppose. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. This is angle 4. Can you see? Mark all of you. Angle 1 and angle 3 are called vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4 are called vertically opposite angle. Then vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Suppose this is 80 degree, this will be 80 degree. If this is 80 degree, it will be 100 degree because it is a linear pair. If this is 100 degree, it will be 100 degree. Or suppose this is 95 degree. You know it will be 180 degree. So it will be 1. How much will be this one? 85 degree. 85 degree, 95 degree. If this is 85, this is 85. If this is 95, this is 90. Because you study linear parallel line, 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. Here also 180 degree. That is why. Anyway, you write the angle 1, right? Angle 1 and angle 2, no, angle 3 are vertically opposite angle 1 and 3. Then angle 2 and angle 4. Vertically opposite angle right there. Then angle 1 and angle 3. Vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4. Vertically opposite angle. Then after that, right, vertically opposite angles are equal. And you draw this figure, mark 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after the right, vertically opposite angles are angle 1 and 3, angle 2 and 4 are vertically opposite angles. Now, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. I think you understood.
Yes, sir.
ഇനി ഒരു ചെറിയ കാര്യം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക, ഇന്റർസെക്റ്റിംഗ് ലൈൻ അത് 92, പെയർ ഓഫ് ആംഗിൾസ്, ലീനിയർ പെയർ ഓഫ് ആംഗിൾസ് വന്നിട്ട് ആക്സിയം 6.1. നിങ്ങൾ തിയറംന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? തിയറംന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Theorem we can prove. Axiom we cannot. As a statement and first axiom and axiom 6.1 axiom. If a ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles formed a 180 degree. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞതാണ് ഒരു ലൈനിൽ ഒരു റേ നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ the sum of the two adjacent angles forms 180 degree. This angle plus this angle will be 180. Axiom അതാണ്. അതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക, അത്ര മതി. When the sum of two adjacent angles 180 degree, linear pair like that. എന്നിട്ട് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കാം. Example 1, example 2, example 3. ഈ എക്സാമ്പിൾ 3 എക്സാമ്പിൾ ഒന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് വായിക്കണം. Examples 3, 1, 2, 3. Three examples are example 1, example 2, example 3. Okay. അത് വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക, മനസ്സിലാക്കി വരിക. I think time is over now. Okay then. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കുക ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട്. Anything?
No, sir.
Example ചെയ്യണം. Okay then. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.